Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Bohr. In this episode, I'm going to do hash browns, but I'm going to do it in the Phillips Actifry fryer. So what I've done, I've got a russet potato, big one like this, that I've diced up into cubes here, like a home-style fry, so to speak. And I've soaked them in water, and now I need to get the water off of these potatoes. I just have a little small batch because it's morning, it's breakfast time, and I'm hungry. So I'll just spread these out on a paper towel to help dry them off. And I'll just go ahead and tap them dry here, get as much moisture off of this, because we're just going to put like a tablespoon of oil on the potatoes, and that moisture will help keep them from sticking and separating from that oil. So I'll go ahead and pat them dry, and once I have them dried, I'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. The potatoes are dried off with paper towels. I put them in a bowl here. And before I put some oil in here, I'm going to go to the air fryer and go ahead and preheat this for just 3 minutes at 390 degrees. While that's heating up, I'll go back over here to the potatoes. I'll put a tablespoon of olive oil in here, just like that. Again, that'll help keep these potatoes from sticking. The air fryer already has a non-stick coating in it, so that helps, but it really helps to put a little oil on those potatoes. That'll help crisp them up as well. So mix them up really good, just like so. Then I have 2 seasonings, and it's always a tough call for me which one to use. I like this Louisiana Cajun seasoning, as well as this Creole seasoning, and I think I'm going to go with this Creole one for today. And it's about a tablespoon or so of the seasoning. Just mix it up really well, just like so. I'll add just a little bit more, just like that. I might add a little black pepper. You could add different seasonings as you like. Sometimes I'll put some garlic and onion powder in as well, but I'll just go with it just like that. And as soon as this is heated up, we'll stick them in. I'm going to go ahead and put the hash browns inside the air fryer. It's got this pan screen right here, so just place these all in here, just like so. And these will cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. I like mine pretty crispy, so I'll go ahead and shut the door, change my time 190 degrees, and actually I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. I'll do 6 minutes, and at 6 minutes I'll open this up, shake them, and then cook it for another 6 minutes. Let's start. Of the first 6 minutes, so we'll check out the potatoes are looking good. They're starting to cook. I'm going to shake it like this just to mix it up, and then go ahead and stick it back in. I'm going to cook that at least another 6 minutes. See how it looks when it's done. Okay, let's take a look at the hash browns. Wow, those look good. You can tell by the sound of them. When you really hear them shaking and they sound firm. Oh, they do. They're crisp too. I'll just see if I can get a small. I know it's going to be really hot, so I don't want to burn my mouth on this. But yeah, a little bit of crunch to it. That's nice. I'll go ahead and pour them out into a bowl here. We can have these for breakfast or anytime, actually. And I got to try one more. That was good. You can see how they're crisp. Oh yeah. Very good, easy home fries or home hash browns, however you want to call them, home style. These are delicious. The seasonings are great. Go out to City Grilling and get the recipe, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.